Marshall Operating Referendum, tag 369.
Hi, I'm Paul Waking, a Marshall parent with 2 students in the district, and I support the operating referendum for Marshall schools. One of the important things that this referendum will support is allowing our schools to continue on the path of using technology tools of today, like iPads and this Chromebook that my friend Alana Huggett is using. They use these in the classroom for teaching core curriculum such as math, science, and writing, but they're also teaching our students how to use these commonplace tools. These tools today are in all workplaces, whether it's professional jobs, manufacturing, trades, or those in agriculture. The implementations of iPads and Chromebooks in our schools is really, in my opinion, not preparing our kids for the future. It's really bringing them up to speed with the technology of today and putting them in a position to succeed in the jobs of tomorrow. Also, district software upgrades are needed to keep pace with increasing state-mandated data reporting on our students. Some of the money of this referendum will go toward eventually equipping all the students, like Alana and her little sister Claire, from 6th through 12th grade with their own computer for learning. Again, not only core curriculum topics, but to teach them how to use the tools themselves. The way we use technology in Marshall is making our students smarter and our schools better. I encourage you to vote yes on Marshall's operating referendum on November 6th. Thanks.